Trying to note the exact number of drinkers for your 100 broilers is what every beginner, including myself, asked while starting. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the exact number of drinkers you need for your 100 and some things you need to consider. I'm teaching the Ryan from Farfetch Academy. Number one thing you need to consider in order to know the exact number of drinkers for your 100 broilers is the size of your pen. If your pen is big, that means you will require an extra drinker so that you can place, so that it can be enough to place in some strategic places where your umbrellas always stay. Formerly, I used to place my drinkers in the middle. Then, by the both sides, I will place their feeder button. As we grow in broiler poultry farming, you gain experience. That is not the right way. You need to place your drinker at strategic places where your broilers stay. Then the next thing to consider is the size of your broilers, because it's not the same number of drinkers you use for your 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks broiler. That is not the same number of drinker that you will use for your what's it called, 8 weeks, 7 weeks, 8 weeks, 9 weeks, 12 weeks broiler, because by then they have grown very well and they need more water, and at the next then they need more water and they have grown very well, as in the size of their body is very big now. So you will make it like instead of using 8 to 10 drinkers, you have to increase it to 12 to 15 drinkers, most especially if you are the type that do other things for a living, not just poultry farming. Like you give them the water in the morning, then go and do some other things. Then when you come back in the evening, you come and check on them. So you need extra drinker to make sure that they have water to drink round the clock. Then another thing to consider is the number of feeder, and the number of feeder in their pen. So when the feeder is small, then you need to add some drinkers to, as in, what will I say, as in to measure up with the amount of a feeder in your poultry house. But if you cannot afford 8 10 drinkers, I know it is right for you to use 8 or 10 drinkers for your 100 broilers. But if you cannot afford it, we know how we started. I personally, I know how I started. I used only 2 4 liters drinker to raise a 50 of my broiler chick. Although it is not right, but in some cases, if that is the only thing you have, you can start with it. If you can only afford what's it called, 4 of the drinkers, as in four what's it called, 4 10 liters, you can buy the 4 10 liters and place it at the strategic place. But know that it is not the right thing to do, but you can manage. The right thing to do is placing drinkers at strategic places where your broilers normally stay, because they are very lazy. Some of them will eat and would like to stress themselves in search of water. So the best thing to do is having enough drinker. So 10 drinker for 100 broilers is okay, but when they are growing further, we can make it 15. But I pray in the name of Jesus. I don't know your stage in this broiler poultry farming, but I believe you're just a beginner. I pray in the name of Jesus that God will see you through. God will help you to. God will help you. God will establish you in this broiler poultry farming and make you a renowned person in this broiler poultry farming. God bless you.